You wanna learn how to make the best soft cookies ever, so let me guide you. First we mix 150 grams of butter, then we go 150 grams of brown sugar and 75 grams of normal sugar. Then you just have to mix it. If you have a mixer, you are a lucky guy. Me, not. Once you finish mixing it around 3-4 minutes, then we need to add 2 eggs and a small spoon of vanilla. Incoming! Now, in the other bowl, we will use a half spoon of soda and 280 grams of flour. In the flour mix, we will need to add our chocolate. I use dark chocolate and white chocolate. You can use also milk chocolate. It fits amazingly, just chop it nicely. Now we put one mixture in the other mixture and we mix them nicely so all the products will go everywhere. Now take this wonderful thing that you made and leave it to rest for 1.5 hours in the fridge. Then you are ready to cook. So we create small balls with our spoon. We put them like this on a tray with a baking paper and we cook for 10 minutes in 180 degrees. So 10 minutes later, it should look like this. Wonderful and